Let's do this.
All right.
For sure.
All right, everybody. Like I said, welcome. This is actually the first contest in 21 months that we have had that we've had schools come together here in the U.S. for a contest. So I'm so proud of all of you for coming out. Hold on, folks. It's been 21 months. Wow. I am so happy that we're able to do this again. This is amazing. I can't tell you how long I've waited to be able to hand a trophy to the school, right? We've been announcing results for so long. We've been like behind a computer screen, and now we're here. This is great. So let me tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to make some announcements here real quick. We're going to hand out some trophies, right? If you got a mask, wear it when you come up to get a trophy. If you don't have a mask, it's okay. I'll be wearing mine by the time you come up to get your trophy. Okay? We're going to hand out some trophies to our students in grades 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First off, as you all know, well, if you've been to Math Contest before, it doesn't matter, in person, online, whatever, we post our results super fast, right? So by the time you leave this building, you'll probably be able to look online and find the results for today's contest. Also, at our website, you'll be able to download a score report that says exactly how you did on all the tests, how many questions you got right, which questions you got right and wrong, so you can kind of compare and see what you missed. One of the best things about an in-person contest is your chaperones will get to walk home with a copy of the answers, so you can share those around to your schools. You don't have to wait until the end of the month like we do for the online contest. All right, so we want you to check your results, right? Let us know if you made a scoring error, but also learn something about the problems that you got wrong so you can do better next time. All right, now as far as the awards go, I do want to mention that we have, for those of you who have done our online contest, you know we have a huge list of possible awards. I have some trophies here today. If you get called up for a prize and we give you a trophy and you're like, I don't want a trophy, I want, $100 credit for a class, or I want an electronic book or something like that, one of the other prizes from our website, just bring the trophy back, let us know. We'll be glad to let you take a selection from our online prizes. We do find that a lot of students prefer the trophies, which is why we have those here today. If you want a different prize, just bring your trophy back after the awards, and we are happy to record that so that we can give you a selection of prizes from our website. Okay? Let's see what else. The aftermath is going to be held in a few weeks, sometime in January. This is where the guys who wrote the questions are going to go over the answers so that you can kind of see how they thought about the questions, how they can solve these questions. We do have a bunch of classes running on our website all the time, so check those out. Also, for those of you who have not yet participated in the Number Sets Challenge, this is a pretty cool thing we do online every Thursday night. It's a 10-week program that we start every 3 months. It's an hour-long program. You come in, you check in, you take a number sets test. That all happens in the first half hour, and the second half hour is me showing you how to do a bunch of the problems. Right? So if you're interested, it runs for 10 weeks, and you get copies of all the tests. You also get to access all the recordings of the lessons. So check that out if you're interested. All right. So I do want to mention that everybody who is getting a trophy today has qualified for the next level of competition, which will be for elementary students. That'll be a district championship in April, likely sometime late March, early April. For the middle school students, you will qualify on to probably a state championship. We'll send you more information about that later. But here's the good news. It's not just the people getting trophies today that won prizes, okay? So check out the results on our website. We'll be sending your chaperones emails. Some of you have qualified on to either districts or state. Even if you didn't place in the top 1 or 2 in your grade level today, even if you're not walking out of here with a trophy, you might still be able to get a trophy by letting us know on our website what you want for a prize selection. You'll be able to find out on our website if you qualified onto the next level, which means you also get to choose a prize, right? You would be able to choose a trophy as a prize if you want.
but we also have a large list of other prizes that we can choose from. All right, so everybody check out the results. Even if I don't call your name today, you may still have won a prize, right? We can only hand out so many prizes in person, but we've been handing out a lot more prizes since we switched to this online format and since we switched to having a choice of prizes. So anyway, super glad to have you all here. Let's get right into the awards. Like I said, as soon as I'm done with the awards, Ryan's going to be up here. He can help you with any, if you want to swap out any trophies, or if you want to purchase any merchandise. I'm going to have to go back in because we actually have an online contest starting in just a short bit for the afternoon. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to put my mask on because we've got some students walking up here in 3rd grade. I'm going to give the top 2 students in grades 3, 4, and 5. And then I'll give the top student in grades 6, 7, and 8. So in 3rd grade, it looks like we have a 2nd place student who is Rithvik Sindhukumar from Basic San Antonio State. Parents will probably get some pictures when your students come up as well. Also, actually, I'm not going to head straight in there as soon as I'm done with the awards. As soon as I'm done handing out prizes, I'm going to invite anybody who's wearing a mask and wants to be in a group picture to come on up, and we'll be glad to have a group picture with all of us if you are interested. Okay? Our first place 3rd grader is Midhaj Gura from Basic San Antonio. I see some of you have your stickers. Midhaj is even wearing his sticker. Love it. Okay, folks. We're going to hand out our prizes for the 4th graders. So moving on to 4th grade, in 2nd place, I've got Darsh Dash from Basic And our first place 4th grader is Ananya Dash from Basic San Congratulations. All right, we're going to move on to the 5th graders now. 2nd place is Lochan Murthy from Basic San Antonio. And our first place 5th grader, Henry Schuler from Basic School. That was for our elementary contest. We're going to move on to hand out the top student in each of our middle school grades. 6th grade. In first place for 6th grade, I have Tejas Oberai from Basic Savano. In 7th grade, our first place 7th grader is Prajesh Mishra from Basic Savano. First place 8th grader. First place 8th grader is Vedansh Manan from Basic Savano.